Hello and welcome back to my channel. Ride mode on and like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Let's start and thank me if you're watching my video. Silence. And then the ground starts to feel heavier. This is the Royal Enfield Bear 650 in black with blue highlights and carbon-coated accents. It doesn't announce itself. It arrives with weight, with presence, with authority. Under low light, the silhouette speaks first. Long, muscular, unapologetic, the black finish absorbs the shadows while the blue highlights cut through just enough to remind youth this machine is modern, sharp, and dangerous when pushed. Carbon-coated details add a raw industrial edge. Built for riders who don't follow the crowd, the engine comes alive with a deep twin-cylinder pulse. Not loud for attention, allowed with purpose. Every throttle twist delivers controlled force. Every movement feels planted, stable, confident. Watch it move. The Bear 650 doesn't rush. It charges, suspension loads, tires, grip, and the bike surges forward with pure mechanical honesty. No drama, no filters. Just torque, balance, and control. This isn't a machine for show. It's built for domination, open roads, through shadows, and across rough stretches where character matters more than numbers. The rider leans in, locked, connected. Man and machine moving as one. When it slows, the presence doesn't fade. Heat rises, metal ticks, the engine settles into a deep, steady heartbeat. It stands there like a predator at rest, composed, undefeated. The Royal Enfield Bear 650 isn't chasing speed. It's claiming territory. This is Royal Enfield in beast form. Goodbye and take care, and meet in next video, and BYE. Bye.